For cable fixing on the wall, use PVC trunkings and wall plugs, self-adhesive trunkings or cable clips. Before you start drilling the wall, you should use voltage detector to make sure that you will not damage a cable in the wall. To mount the monitor on a wall, use the original metal holder. When you buy a monitor, pay attention to the holes layout on the back of the monitor. Holder must match the holes layout. Thank you for watching and showing interest in our product. Automatic musical school bell timer.